ጥማት ልቤን የወሰድከው አንተ ካለህበት ከምትገኝበት በመቅደስ ሆነ ሁሌ አስብሃለሁ ደስ የሚያሰኘውን ፊትህን እሻለሁ እፈልግህ አንተ ልቤ ረሃብ የነፍሴ ጥማት ልቤን የወሰድከው አንተ ካለህበት ከምትገኝበት በመቅደስ ሆነ ሁሌ አስብሃለሁ ደስ የሚያሰኘውን ፊትህን እሻለሁ እፈልግሃለሁ እንደምትናፍቅ ዋላ ወደ ውሃ አግኝታ እስክትረካ በዛ በበረሃ ምንም አይታያት ማንም አያስቆማት እንዲሁ አምላኬ ነው የነፍሴ ጥማት ነው የነፍሴ ጥማት አገኘሁህና ጥሜን አረካኸው ግን ደሞ እርካታዬ አንተን የሚያስናፍቅ ነው አሁንም ልቤ ይፈልግሃል በነገሮች መሃል ሐሳቤ ወሰዳል ወደ አንተ ይሄዳል አንተ ልቤ ረሃብ የነፍሴ ጥማት ልቤን የወሰድከው አንተ ካለህበት ከምትገኝበት ዋናይ ልቤ ትኩረት የዓይኔ ደግሞ ብዛት የጆሮዬ ጉጉት ድምፅህን ለመስማት በእጅ ለመነካት ውበት ጥማቴ በሰማዩ ስርዓት ተወስዷል መሻቴ የምድርን ግሳንግስ ትቼ ወደ ኋላ ወደ አንተ ሮጣለሁ ዘውትር እንድሞላ ረሃቤ ነህና አንተ ልቤ ረሃብ የነፍሴ ጥማት ልቤን የወሰድከው አንተ ካለህበት ከምትገኝበት ዋናይ ልቤ ትኩረት የዓይኔ ደግሞ ፍዘት የጆሮዬ ጉጉት ድምፅህን ለመስማት በእጅ ለመነካት በየዕለቱ ሙላኝ ልቤንም ለውጠህ የጆሮዬ ጉጉት ድምፅህን ለመስማት በእጅ ለመነካት ረሃቤ ክብር ነው ውበት ጥማቴ በሰማዩ ስርዓት ተወስዷል መሻቴ የምድርን ግሳንግስ ትቼ ወደ ኋላ ወደ አንተ ሮጣለሁ ዘውትር እንድሞላ ረሃቤ ነህና አንተ የልቤ ረሃብ የነፍሴ ጥማት ልቤን የወሰድከው አንተ ካለህበት ከምትገኝበት ዋና የልቤ ትኩረት የዓይኔ ደግሞ ፍዘት የጆሮዬ ጉጉት ድምፅህን ለመስማት በእጅ
In 2023, a group of 9 young adult women and I went to Hawassa and Holeta, Ethiopia, to spread the heart and character of Christ. This experience was incredibly eye-opening to me. During my time in Holeta and Hawassa, I witnessed firsthand how the love of Christ can transform lives, even in the most difficult circumstances. One of the most unforgettable moments for me was in Holeta, sitting with a group of girls and hearing their dreams for the future, despite all the challenges that they faced. To see their eyes light up as we talked about the possibilities was a powerful reminder of how God can use us to open doors of hope. I want to be used as a vessel to expand His kingdom, and from what He has already done, I am more than eager to go back and carry out what the Lord has for me in these communities.
In 2023, I had the incredible opportunity to go on a mission trip to Ethiopia. As a team, we spent time in Holeta working closely with a group of amazing young girls. Our team led daily workshops for the girls and taught them about chasing their dreams, setting life goals, and encouraging them to see the value they already carry. Throughout the trip, I became more aware of the privileges I have for things like education and resources. Instead of feeling guilty, I realized that this privilege can be used for the glory of God, to serve others, and to make a difference. One of the most impactful parts of my trip was staying at an orphanage and being able to play, worship, and have so much fun with the kids there. Even in the middle of difficult circumstances, they showed so much joy, perseverance, and incredible love for God. Their faith reminded me that real hope isn't found in the things of this world, but found in knowing and trusting in God. It was a joyful and eye-opening experience that I truly cherish, and I can't wait to return this summer to continue God's work by making an impact on these girls and kids.
This July, we are excited to return to Holeta to continue the work that we started. Our mission is to continue teaching life skills, provide hands-on training in soap making as a potential business opportunity, and share the gospel to bring hope and transformation to their lives. We also plan to stay with the orphanage again, reconnecting with the children and continuing the strong relationships that we built during our last visit. We ask for your prayers as we prepare for this journey, for God's wisdom as we lead lessons, and for open hearts in the community that we serve. Your support can make a lasting difference in the lives of these girls by equipping them with important skills and introducing them to the good news. We are so grateful for your support, and we look forward to partnering with you to bring hope, love, and transformation to Holeta, Ethiopia. Thank you for listening.